can you show again how to create the drop-down button list, the north, south, east, and west? Okay, sure. Okay, I'm going to show you 2 ways on how to do this. Yeah. Number one, so I'm going to select these 2 types. Yeah? I'm going to color the 2 cells so that you know which one I'm talking about. I'm going to set this one to yellow. So, method 1, select from the cell, I go to data, I go to data validation. Under settings, I put in list. Here, I type north, comma, south, comma, east, comma, and also west. So when I press OK, or let's say you already have a list. So you can even do it this way. So from this cell, under settings, allow list source, I'm selecting these 4 types, excluding the type. So let me change this one to region as well. Sorry. So what is the difference between these 2 methods? Actually, I don't really prefer for you to type the types here at the source. I prefer for you to select. Why? See, when I type is wrongly, like this one, I accidentally add in a spacebar and I press enter. It shows an error. See, it will not allow me until I type in the same type as what is listed. Spacebar will not allow. However, as when I type in the type, the spacebar, it will still accept. So that's why I prefer for you not to type actually. Select the type is much more secure.